Our need for electricity increases every day to control the things around us, such as electrical devices and electric cars. But where do we get this energy from? Most of manufacturers and houses use fossil fuels to get energy, but it releases huge amount of pollutants that reduce air quality and harm life, especially sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides. We must ditch the fossil fuels and go with wind and other more environmentally friendly power. We aim to increase using renewable energy resources like solar and wind. By taking advantage of Internet of Things and artificial intelligence to make renewable energy more efficient and cost effective. By integrating these two technologies, we can provide places with an unlimited and reliable source of renewable energy for sustainability. For example, we can get renewable energy from solar systems by converting solar energy into electrical energy and storing it in batteries until needed. And we collect the data that comes from the system and store it in the cloud for later use in prediction operations, whether it's related to the amount of energy that will be generated or predicting the state of the system. We also provide an IoT consumption system that includes appropriate sensors and devices by which we can collect data on power consumption that will make the users have the ability to monitor his consumption, make informed decisions about their energy usage, and take steps to reduce their consumption and lower their energy bills.
Innovation aspects. The system has the capability to generate energy from two different sources, namely solar energy and wind energy. The system is designed to automatically select the optimal energy source based on environmental conditions. Specifically, if the temperature is high and there is a little wind movement, the system will utilize the solar energy system. Conversely, if the temperature is low and there is a fast wind movement, the system will utilize the wind energy system. By automatically selecting the appropriate energy source, the system can ensure optimal energy generation while minimizing the waste. By switching between the two sources of energy, the system can optimize energy production based on the current weather conditions. This can lead to more efficient energy production and a reduction in the amount of energy wasted. That enables us to reduce our reliance on non-renewable energy sources and move closer to a sustainable energy future. The system is equipped with a failure detection mechanism that promptly notifies the user in the event of any detected failure, ensuring timely, efficient maintenance and operation of the system. We have developed a user interface website to make the user able to interact with the system.
Current progress. Develop artificial intelligence algorithms. We finished benchmarking the state-of-the-art deep learning algorithms on the selected datasets, analyzing and comparing their performance, researching and selecting the most advanced deep learning algorithms currently available, and testing them on real-world public datasets of various types of energy. User interface. We deploy the model to the website to allow the user to monitor their energy that generated and consumed. In Internet of Things part, we collected the components needed to build a prototype for the solar system, and now we are in the installation and testing step. The next part, I'll talk about the technologies used. Among the technologies we used is the IoT, including devices and sensors that will help us provide a renewable energy system, such as PV panels, INA 219, DHT 11 temperature sensor, regulator, and lithium battery. The second technology we used is the user interface, and in it we were able to create a website that acts as the link between the user and the system using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Flask. The third technology I'm going to talk about is the use of AI, especially deep learning. We created a framework that contains a set of time series models that either generation or consumption. Among these models are LSTM, CNN, TCN, GRU, by GRU.
In this part, I'll talk about the applicability of this solution. We target homes, sustainable cities, and electricity companies. Our reliance on these targets as a start has several reasons, the most important of which are: homes need to track energy consumption to help save energy. Given the need to reduce energy production from non-renewable sources that pollute the environment, building sustainable cities will require clean and non-polluting energy sources. Our reliance on electricity companies in particular will help spread the idea of energy production from renewable sources in the country. Egypt also supports the production of energy from renewable sources that don't pollute the environment and don't affect climate change.
Finally, our project has effectively addressed multiple issues in different areas, resulting in a positive impact, both social impact and industrial impact. Social impact: a positive impact on society by decreasing reliance on fossil fuels and encouraging the use of sustainable energy sources. This has led to a decrease in environmental pollution and a better preservation of human health. Industrial impact: industrial impact of project is that our project has also resulted in increased energy efficiency and lowered expenses, as well as inspiring the creation of innovative technologies and job opportunities, ultimately contributing to economic growth.